This bag is also a four-way bag, so you can carry it in 4 different ways. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you my new purchase. It is from a brand called Alt Manila. So this bag is from a local brand here in the Philippines. It is called the Alt Manila brand. And this bag's name is called Madrid. So Madrid has, of other bags, I'm loving this one because of the shape, like a trapezoid shape. I'm really loving that shape. Looks very elegant and classy. And I'm also loving this material, which is nylon with leather details. It's very simple yet classy, and I love that it is nylon, that you can easily wipe it out, easily maintain and clean it. I'm also loving this gold details of the hardware, and another cool feature is that anti-theft lock. That's very cool idea. So first of all, I would like to tell you that this video is not sponsored. I just want to promote local Filipino brands that has quality and style. So this one is very well made and designed very well. If you look at this handle, it looks like a crown. It's really nice that it looks like a crown when you place all the handles neatly together with this cool feature. And this bag, I'm really loving that it is also a four-way bag. So there are 4 ways for you to carry this bag, and I will show you that later. For now, let's first look at closely at the details of this bag. So as you can see, I'm loving the shape. So it's a trapezoidal shape, like a triangle. The bottom is really wide, so you can place a lot of things inside. So on the front, it has this one zippered pocket that is, I love the zippers, really smooth to operate, to close. I'm loving zippers that are really shiny as well. And this cool feature that they have really thought very well, this is very nice, a anti-theft feature. And then, so this is the feature that holds the handles. So this is a top handle, and it can also hold the other handle as well. And this one is permanent, and it's just there. You can remove it. And then on the middle side, another cool zipper, another elegant zipper. This is a gold zipper, and let's open. So on the inside, you can see one zippered pocket with a brand Alt, for Alt Manila, with wipeable interior lining that is, you can really easily clean it. On the other side, you have 2 open pockets. So one thin pocket for the wallet or for papers or cards. On the other side, you can see a wider open pocket for bigger things like perfume, alcohol, or water bottle. So it's just a simple bag, but I'm loving the classiness of this bag and the features and the shape. Very nice. I will show you how it is carried in 4 different ways. So these are the top handles. So first one, you can use it as a top handle bag. You can hold it like this, like so, or you can also put it or place it at the crook of your arm. And The next one is this feature. This is a backpack, so you can hold the sling at the the fixed, or the you cannot be removed this back feature if you the backpack sling. So it is not removable, but it is adjustable. You can adjust it. Then if you pull this one, it becomes a tote. And then if you adjust this one to make it longer, it will be a crossbody bag. So you have four ways. So first is top handle, next is backpack, and then a tote, and then finally a crossbody. So four cool ways to use this bag. Plus it has an anti-theft feature, loving that feature, and also the water repellent feature of this bag, and looks very durable as well. So you can use it at the office. You can also use it when you're traveling or going abroad, and you can easily place this at your back or on your luggage. Easily attach this one. And what else? I think I'm really loving this bag, and I can't wait to use them on whenever I go out or I travel or at the office. Many ways to use this. It's just a simple one because it's a plain black color, but the design is really very elegant indeed. And the other features, the four-way feature is very cool, and this anti-theft is another good thing. I'm really loving the details of it having the gold hardware and this leather trim design or features. Really like it. I think this will be a perfect addition to my bag collection, and I'm really proud that it is Filipino made. If you're interested in purchasing this bag, I will link there just on the description below, their website where you can, and also their IG, so that you can buy from them. Let's support Filipino designers or brands. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'm really happy that I have this bag, and please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, and let's always thank God for the blessings. Bye!